Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you what the project status means when you are creating a Titan web project. Now, whenever you have started your project and before you have ever clicked publish, it's going to say that it is not published right here. You can also look at this gear icon and you can see that this is an active project, but that it has not been published yet. And you can choose to publish it either by clicking this button, or you can also click this button here where it publishes it. It gives you the URL to your site. It gives you all the options for how you can use this site, whether it's on its own or as an iframe or other embedded feature in another site. And now that I have published it, you can see that it is published and the last date that it was published. Now I can continue to make changes to this site and saving it, but that's not going to update the published version of my site for my end users until I publish it again. But I can go back to this gear icon. I can see if it's active or not active, or if it's published or not published, and I can save it if I'd like to as well. And you can see now it is disabled. And I can also, well, you can see the published details, another way to get to it. And then you can also set your project to be only available for a specific day to another specific day. So let's say it was available from Sunday at 5 a.m. till, sounds good, till, I'm still going to say yesterday at 5 p.m. Okay. Apply. Save. Publish. And then let's copy and paste. And then it says that it is disabled and that I can ask the project owner about this. So that is what the project status settings are and what you can do with them. Really cool ability to only have your project available from certain days if it is a particular project that is time restrictive. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped. Thank you.